Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload an 8K image to your Twitter account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Twitter, as well as an image that has a resolution of 7680 by 4320, the 8K image. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to twitter.com. We can use the bookmark shortcut to take us to the website. And make sure that you are signed into the account. So what I will do is click on tweet. And now I will minimize the web browser for the moment. Let's go to the desktop. Focus on that 8K image. There we have it, the 8K image. I'll click on this to open it up. Will take some time as this is a very high resolution image. Let's close preview, right click that image, go to get info, and there we have the dimensions, 7680 by 4320. It took some time to export as this is a very good quality image. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go back to Safari. What is happening? What we can do is decrease the size of the web browser, take that image, drag and drop into the tweet, write the caption, just uploading an 8K image. Computer Science Videos. Another hashtag 8K image. And now let's tweet this to our Twitter account. Command R to refresh the page. Let's go to that tweet that we just posted. Click on the image. And there we have it. It took about 5 seconds to load due to its high resolution. Close the image. Quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.